Okay, there you go. Come on, come on. Run.
Yeah,
Come on, loop.
Worldwide took over the center stage, and now he took your mic. Like, this is just his show. Let's make it all about you today.
Yeah.
I'm going to finish with you.
Hold up. I got shout out. What's up? My boys out there watching.
Soldier.
What's up? Out in Victorville. Soldier watching. Yeah. So,
That's right.
that's my shit right there. I'm fucking.
Anyway,
tonight.
Rapper Jimmy. This is my boy right here. Shut up, girl. Anyway, that's my boy right there. He been down with me for a minute. And I pretty much met him at Keystone Lanes. He started bringing his own CDs, rapping, and that's how I got the name Rapping Jimmy. He don't like it, but guess what?
Clever.
It's you, dog.
So clever.
Yeah, Worldwide adopted me when I was a young lad. And,
I would divorce him.
So, you're like Luke. You need to slay his ass now and then you move on.
Right?
You want me to leave the dark side? Or
yeah.
Anyway, I know you was venting to me earlier about the guests.
No, you've been venting all day.
All day. Y'all done right. I just don't appreciate being played like I did.
Oh, you mean you're not used to that?
No, I'm not. I don't. I'm not Robin Harris. I don't expect to be picking up one person and then have to pick up 3 more. I don't play that. Yeah.
Hey.
Anyway, I want to.
So, anyways, our original guest is not here because Worldwide got jealous because she had a dude with him.
First of all, she said I was her cousin, but it was the principal, okay? The principal. If I'm going to pick somebody else up, you need to let me know. Don't wait till I get up there and say, oh, he coming with us. That don't work that way.
So, hey, but see, that shows his dedication to the show. He's gonna take the chance that we have no guests because she got a dude with him.
I was hitchhiking and Worldwide just happened to pass by.
Yeah,
and
we appreciate you.
No,
you saved our ass.
Thank you. No, I appreciate being here.
I saved that.
He
ass.
gambling.
And I cussed on the air too.
He gambling with our show right there. He like, oh, what she got to do with it? Oh, hell no. I don't got no room.
I like coming over here. It's always fun.
Yeah, straight hater, dude.
I like coming over here, though. I had good
times
right
here. He ain't fit. He can't fit.
Anyway.
He can't fit. I got an SUV.
I got an
SUV.
I want to give a personal shout out to Dorothy, a.k.a. Missy Blue. I saw the show. You were great, and I haven't seen you in a while, and you still look good at your age. You keep it going, girl.
Hey,
and also want
to give. My wife said that she lied about her age.
Put me on blast, will you?
What's going on here?
She told us she was 68. Worldwide said she lied. She's lying about her.
Yeah, she's younger. Okay.
Oh, look at him now. Look at him backtrack. Look at him
backtrack. Anyway,
backpedal.
You
ain't no DB. You're not.
I also want to give some love to Dez because Dez actually on air on camera says she missed me. I'm back, baby. I love it.
You black, baby.
Right.
You black.
Right.
Did he wake up after that?
Man, hey, what did you give him? You gave him some mushrooms or something, dude.
No, I just
because he's on some shit tonight.
You would think after my history
tonight.
of working with mentally disabled for so many years, it wouldn't bother me so much.
Oh,
that's what it's called, psych meds.
That explains why you don't like me, or why you went on Facebook and put, I hate this person, and got people calling me and sending me pictures like, this person posted on there about you. It was all you. What up with that?
I tagged you. I wasn't hiding.
Hey,
but you got. I even had people at church asking me what's going on.
Farmer.
Yeah. People, my church people was asking me what was up with that.
Farmer boy slipped a Mickey in his fish sandwich.
Bad.
It had some mushrooms. Had some mushrooms growing on it or something.
Dez made me look kind of bad over there.
I make you look bad, huh? Oh, it's my fault.
Yeah, because you like I said, you miss me. And for you to diss me like that the same day, let's go.
That's what I do.
First you miss me, then you diss me. That's what he said.
Yeah, exactly. Miss me and diss me at the same day. Can't believe.
You're gonna have to show me that. I don't recall.
Well, you what? If I have to, if they got patient, I will pull that sucker up and let you listen to it and hear it, how drunk you was. If you was,
I'm
that's
gonna
what
be
you
here
claim.
after the show. I would like to see that part because I think you misinterpreted
No,
that.
I'll pull it up. Don't play with me. I can pull somebody's card now. But anyway, welcome to the viewers.
Rapper Jimmy, thank you. We appreciate you coming out.
Thank you.
Short notice and all.
I appreciate being here.
I know you needed a ride. You was hitchhiking or whatever. And
like Marvin Gaye. Hitchhike.
My pants up, so show some leg or anything. So it's all good. I like being here.
And I guess thank you for still getting a guest here, even though you canceled the one we already had.
Look, dog. I don't play that. I mean, I didn't spend 40 miles picking her butt up, and she gonna do me like that.
I know, but we got a show to do.
Forget that. I could have went up there and sung to make the show go.
But see, you're letting me know right there how much dedication you got right there. So thank you.
And but I'm about to ask something, and I'm here. I'm here weekly booking some good guests because, like I said, I can put everybody on blast now. There's people in that studio said that I bring the best guests. I'm not gonna mention no names, but they know who they are.
You bring the best guests, huh?
That's what they said. I heard it from them out, but I ain't gonna mention no names.
He brings nothing but the finest of the worldwide karaoke experiment.
Man,
remember you said that?
We got about almost 3 years. We got almost 3 years of guests, and trust me, I brought just as many, if not more.
Well, I'm not. Of course, you bring more, but I'm talking about what was told to me. He said I bring the best guests. Okay.
Oh, we got a viewer saying
all
you
I'm
need
saying,
your own show. That means bye-bye.
All I'm saying is
that means I will be getting my own show. Stay tuned.
You gotta chill.
My show is going to be WTST, which means was there,
oh, God.
saw that.
Was that an
coming soon.
That gave him an opportunity to talk about himself again.
Yep, exactly. So coming soon, y'all, in development. Watch that. WTST was there, saw that.
We're gonna
courtesy of Worldwide.
We're gonna call up. Yeah, we're gonna call up Ice Cube, and he's gonna tell you to check yourself before you wreck yourself. And we'll see you next. We'll see you.
By the way,
week.
just to let you know, it's a spinoff show. It's a spinoff.
This has been That Song That. That's all the time we have for this week.
It's a spinoff.
We'll see you next time.